Hi everybody, it's Mrs. Schaffart here, and we are going to be reading the book Cat Goes Fiddle-i-Fee and working on Ti-tika today, or Ti-tika. You are going to need a piece of paper and a pencil for later in this activity, and so you might want to pause that and go grab those things that you need. But if you look up here at the board, we've got Ti-tika-ti-ta. Everybody say that with me. Ready, go. Ti-tika-ti-ta. And with the words it would go, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. And it's cat goes fiddle-i-fee in the book. So every time we add a new animal, it's going to take us back through the ones we've already done. And the end always goes, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. So I want you to feel free to sing along with as much as you can with the book. And here goes. After that, we're going to do some dictation where I play on the recorder some patterns and you have to write them down. I had a cat and my cat pleased me. I fed my cat by yonder tree. Cat goes fiddle-i-fee. I had a hen and the hen pleased me. I fed my hen by yonder tree. Hen goes Jimmy Chuck, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. I had a duck and the duck pleased me. I fed my duck by yonder tree. Duck goes quack, quack. Hen goes Jimmy Chuck, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. I had a goose and the goose pleased me. I fed my goose by yonder tree. Goose goes swishy, swashy. Duck goes quack, quack. Hen goes Jimmy Chuck, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. I had a sheep and the sheep pleased me. I fed my sheep by yonder tree. Sheep goes ba, ba. Goose goes swishy, swashy. Duck goes quack, quack. Hen goes Jimmy Chuck, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. I had a pig and the pig pleased me. I fed my pig by yonder tree. Pig goes griffy, gruffy. Sheep goes ba, ba. Goose goes swishy, swashy. Duck goes quack, quack. Hen goes Jimmy Chuck, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. I had a cow and the cow pleased me. I fed my cow by yonder tree. Cow goes moo, moo. Pig goes griffy, gruffy. Sheep goes ba, ba. Goose goes swishy, swashy. Duck goes quack, quack. Hen goes Jimmy Chuck, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. I'll turn the page there. I had a horse and the horse pleased me. I fed my horse by yonder tree. Horse goes neigh, neigh. Cow goes moo, moo. Pig goes griffy, gruffy. Sheep goes ba, ba. Goose goes swishy, swashy. Duck goes quack, quack. Hen goes Jimmy Chuck, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. I had a dog and the dog pleased me. I fed my dog by yonder tree. Dog goes bow wow, bow wow. Horse goes neigh, neigh. Cow goes moo, moo. Pig goes griffy, gruffy. Sheep goes ba, ba. Goose goes swishy, swashy. Duck goes quack, quack. Hen goes Jimmy Chuck, cat goes fiddle-i-fee. Then Grandma came and she fed me while the others dozed by yonder tree. And cat went fiddle-i-fee. All right, so we are going to need that paper and pencil now. Thank you for singing along, by the way. And we're going to practice drawing some notes really fast before we start the dictation, okay? So let's go ahead and let's try to draw a Ti-tika. You can make it really easy like mine did. You don't even need to draw the note heads. Let's draw a Tika-tika that has 2 beams at the top, okay? Now, let's try a Ti-tika. So not a tika-ti, but a Ti-tika. So we're gonna need the tika at the end, okay? Let's do a tika-ti. So now the tika is first. And let's do a half note. Let's do a quarter rest, a sideways Z and a C. Oh, let's do a ta. Maybe, just maybe, we'll have a half rest, I'm not sure. That would be 2 counts of silence, okay? So I'm gonna play you a pattern 3 times, and you're gonna write it down. I'm gonna give you a little bit of writing time in between, okay? And we're gonna see if you got it. And sometimes I tell my students to draw 4 hearts, like here's beat 1, beat 2, beat 3, beat 4. Okay, so here's pattern number 1. Remember, I'll play it 3 times. Here I go. Ready, and. Some of you noticed I was stomping the 4 heartbeats. That might help you. So I'll do that again. Ready, and. Here I go. All right, so we've got Ti-tika, Ti-ti, Ti-tika, ta. Did anybody get that? I hope so, but if not, no problem. We're just all learning here, and so maybe just try the next one. I'm gonna see if I can erase this. Oh, I erased all of it. Whoops, that's okay. I'll do the next one. I'll draw my 4 heartbeats. All right. Let me come up with a good one. I got it. Here I go. I'll play it again. Here I go. Here I go. So we have 16th notes in the first beat, and then we have a tika-ti, followed by a ta, half note. And remember, if we have a half note, we can't put anything else in the next beat, okay? Excellent. So let's do one more. All right. Let's see. Got it. Here I go. Here I go. Here I go. So we've got ta, oh, ta, ta, tika-ti, ta. And that's the answer. Hey, if you really want to, you could take a picture of your work and email it to your